and welcome to the Knife Nest. Today we have the Leatherman Skeletool RX. This comes in several variations. This is the rescue kind of version of it, but you have the serrated blade there that does lock there. It is 154 cm steel on the blade. Got your little carabiner clip, which is also a bottle opener. And you open it up. You got your pliers there. You got your little wire stripper, I guess that would be. I also kind of use a scissor sometimes because it's pretty sharp. And then you also have here your little bit driver, which is interchangeable. So you can pop that out. It's right here. Got a Phillips there. And also, let's see, right here, you have a little glass breaker there, a carbide tip, I think it is, and a flathead bit. Just slide it up in there is all you do. There you go, and this stays in there. It don't pop out. It stays in there very securely. But I have definitely used this bit driver quite a bit. It comes in handy, and what's great about all of it is it's very compact. It's not really heavy at all. And it's great if you just want to have a knife, but have a little extra to it. Because when you're carrying like a big Leatherman or any kind of multi-tool, it's pretty heavy. And it doesn't have a clip. And this has a clip, which is very nice. Very nice to have a clip. You don't have to have a case on your belt. If you don't have a belt, this is great. I've used this very, very well. Or a lot, I should say. Quite a lot. And there's other variations that don't have the serrations. But this is the rescue version, so like if you want to really cut through, say, a seat belt real fast, or cords, rope, zip ties, anything you get out of fast. I always prefer serrations to get through something quick. Because if your knife's dull, it's gonna really have to cut through it. Serrations, you don't have to worry about that. Definitely easy one-handed use there. My hands are sweaty, so I'm not sliding real well. Come on. Great tool though. Bit driver I've used so many times. So if you're looking for something along the lines of multi-tool, but you also won't be able to carry it like a knife, this is perfect for you. And I will put a link in the description for where you could find this one. I believe it's still available, and other variations of it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And there will be future content, of course. This is Tommy taking flight from the Knife Nest.